Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our subject computer, class 2nd, chapter number 7. Let's start Word 2013. A word processing software. Many word processor has been developed to make typing on a computer easy. A word processor is a computer software that helps you to type a text on your computer. So when you need to type a letter, when you need to type a story, then we use a software that is the name word processor. So document like letter, report, etc. can be typed and saved in word processor. Once you save them, you can go back and make the changes to them whenever you like. So you can format, you can check the spellings, grammatical errors in them, insert the drawings, give the page border, and you can also print those documents. So let's learn more about the Word 2013, which is a popular word processor. First of all, click on a Start button. Then click on All Apps. Click on Word 2013. This opens the Word Start screen. So this is a starting screen of Word 2013. So here you can see that the some tabs like Home tab, New, Open, New to create a new document, Open to open your existing document. Here we have a blank document and some templates document. So you can either select a blank document or either you can select a template. All the recent documents that you have created on your computer by using the Word, you can see here. So let's start with the blank document. Parts of Word 2013 windows. So the various parts of Word 2013 windows are here. First, we have a File tab. The File tab is located at the upper left corner of the Word 2013 window. From here you can control or access all the commands of your Word, like New to create a new document, Open command to open existing document, Save command to save your document. After whenever you type something, you need to save it. Save as to save your document with the other name or in other location on your computer. Print command is used to print your document. Share command is used whenever you want to share this document through the email or through the WhatsApp. Export is used to export your document in the other formats like in a PDF. Close is used to close your document. So when you complete your work, you need to close it, so you can use this close command. Next is Quick Access toolbar. At the top, you can reach the common commands on Quick Access toolbar located at the top left of the Word 2000 window. It includes Save, Undo and Repeat command. So which commands which you are mostly used on your Word documents that are located at the top corner. So this is called Quick Access toolbar. So title bar. The title bar is placed at the top of Word window and display the document name followed by the program name. So our document name is document 1 and the software is Word. To the right of the title bar, you can see the three buttons: minimize, restore, maximize and close. And if you have login through your Microsoft account, then you can see your account name here. Next is close button is used to close this software. Ribbon. So this is the complete area comes under the ribbon part. The ribbon is displayed just below the title bar. It contains all the commands that are needed for the common task in Word. It has numbers of tabs, each of which has many groups of commands. For example, we have a Home tab having a group clipboard including the command copy, paste and cut command. Font group is used for the various formattings of font. Paragraph group having the commands related to the paragraph like alignment and line spacing and paragraph spacing. Similarly, here we have some predefined styles. In editing group, we can find or use a replace command. To find something in your document, we will use a find command. To replace the one sentence or a word with the other, we will use replace command. So every tab has its own group and the commands related to that groups are included in there. So this is a part of ribbon. So in a word, we have Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Layout tab, References, Mailing, Review and View tab. Next is document window. A document is created in the document window. This is the area where you can type text, insert picture and graphics. So this is the white area that comes under the part document window. Help button. This is a button to get the help on Word. It is located at the right of the title bar. But here help is included here. Last we have status bar at the last. This is the status bar. The status bar is displayed at the bottom of Word window. Here you can see the information about the current document like the number of pages, and words you have typed in here, like we type he. So we have one word, two word. So it count all the words that you typed in your document. View button to view your document and zoom slide to zoom in.